Excuse me, sir. Quick question for you, man. Is this your Lamborghini?
Yeah.
And what do you do for a living out in Los Angeles to be able to afford a Lamborghini?
I'm in artificial intelligence.
That guy's car is worth $500,000 and he got it from selling AI. And I've been saying this for so long, if you're not using AI to make money online, you are missing out on one of the biggest opportunities of 2025. The only problem is that usually if you want to make your own AI, it's probably going to cost you a lot of money. But what I'm about to show you, you can actually take someone else's software that's already created and coded for you. Then you can take it, put your own logo and business name on it and resell it to local small business owners. And the best part is you're still really early to this because there's only about 60,000 total people doing this in the entire world. So that means if you got started today, you're gonna have a huge advantage over literally everybody else. And also, I'm not here to sell you anything. I made a completely free course that goes over literally step-by-step exactly how to set up this business model and how to start getting clients. So if you want the link to get started, drop a like, drop a sub, comment once you're done, and then I'll send you the link. So now let's jump over to my computer and I'm gonna walk you through all the steps to get started. So first, I just wanna do an overview of what we're gonna be covering today. So we're gonna be finding some local small business owners in our local city. Now this does work in any city, any country, literally anywhere in the entire world. I will say though, starting local is very beneficial because you know your town or your city better than someone else who lives in a different state or a different city or a different region or whatever it may be. So again, this does work anywhere in the world. So once you find these small local business owners, we're gonna be offering them an AI generated website. So you don't need any tech experience. You don't need to know how to build websites. We're gonna use AI to build these websites for them because for a local small business owner, having a website online is kind of like a billboard for your business. You need them. In today's society, in today's day and age, with social media powering everything, you need a website. And there's a huge problem right now because a ton of businesses online do not have a website or their website is really, really bad. So we're gonna reach out to them via phone call, via text, via email, and we're gonna offer to create them an AI generated website. Now this is gonna be very appealing to these business owners because a lot of them, like I said, don't have websites or their website's really bad. And they also like AI. AI is a very trending topic right now. So when they hear the word AI, they're gonna be like, okay, I'm interested. Their ears are gonna perk up a little bit and they're gonna be interested in what you have to offer. And these websites are very easy and very simple for us to create. With no tech experience, no skills, it takes literally like 30 seconds to a minute to create the additional website. And then you can make edits, takes you maybe 15, 20 more minutes. And then you have a full-blown created website for this business. So now you'll notice here, it says get paid $2,000 upfront or $100 to $300 per month per client. So there's two different options on how we can charge these clients. You can go ahead and charge $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 upfront for these sites because that's the normal going rate for websites, for website creation. That's the normal price. But there's also an option because it's so easy for us to create these sites and we can do them in such a small amount of time. We have the option to charge literally whatever we want. So now what you're doing, instead of going in and charging $2,000 for a website up front, we can say, hey, Mr. Business Owner, normally we would charge $2,000 to $3,000 up front, but today you can actually get the site and only have to pay $100, $200, or $300 per month to keep your website up and running. And on top of that, I'll even provide maintenance for the site. So if you want anything changed or updated, you just let me know and I'll change it. This is a complete no-brainer offer to the business owner because instead of paying the normal price of what they've been offered, $2,000, $3,000, they have a chance to pay a much smaller amount, which sounds a lot better to them. Now, I'm not saying either one of these offers are better than the other. You can still go ahead and charge $2,000, $3,000. That's not a problem. You're gonna find business owners that are willing to pay $2,000, $3,000 up front, but this does give you an option in case someone might be a little bit more against or doesn't have the $2,000 or $3,000 up front, they can still be able to get the website from you and only pay $100, $200, or $300 because at the end of the day, it only took us 20, 30 minutes to create this website. So now we're gonna jump over to Google and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna find these small local business owners. So what you wanna do, you wanna come over to Google, you wanna go into the search bar and you're gonna pick any niche. So any type of small local business. This works with literally any type of business. It does not matter, but you want to pick one just to search. So for example, we can look up plumbers near me. We can look up chiropractors near me. We can look up landscaping near me, dentists near me. Literally any type of small business will work. Start with one and then kind of branch out from there. pick a couple and just look around. For this example, I'm just gonna look up barbershops near me. So I'm gonna type in barber shop near me, click enter. So you can see here a bunch of businesses popped up. You can scroll down the whole page and there's just a ton of barbershops. Whatever niche, whatever business you choose, you're gonna see a ton of search results. What we wanna do is scroll up and look for this section called businesses, this Google Maps section, and we wanna look for this little button here that says more businesses. Once you click on this, it's gonna show you literally every single small local barbershop or whatever business you choose in your area, and that's what we want. We want the whole list of every single business. So this is the entire list of all the businesses. You can scroll down this list and there's gonna be hundreds and hundreds of these small businesses, but what we're gonna be looking for, you can see here, this guy at the top, he has a lot of reviews. He has 4.8 stars, really good rating, 15 years in business, but he has a website. You're gonna notice a lot of these small business owners don't have a website, which is crazy to say now that it's 2025. You would think every business has a website, because why wouldn't you have a website? It's one of the most useful things for your business. But look at this. The second guy on the list doesn't have a website. Third guy on the list, no website. Fourth guy, no website. And you can keep scrolling down. Another one, no website. Half these guys, more than half, don't have a website, which is crazy. So what that means for us is that there is a ton of opportunity for us to reach out to these local small business owners and offer them a website built by AI. So now what I want you to do as you scroll down this list on Google, I want you to simply make a list. You can do this in an Excel spreadsheet, you can do it in a Google Doc, or you can literally write it down with a pen and paper. But you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna look for anyone that doesn't have a website listed. You're gonna write down the name of the business, you're gonna write down the phone number for that business, and if they have an email listed, you don't need the email. Some of them might have it on their profile, some of them might not, but what you mainly want is the phone number and the business name. And you're gonna scroll down this list for like 30 minutes to an hour, and you're probably gonna get like 50 to 100 leads at least of businesses with no website. So then once you create this list and you have it written down and you have that whole list of all the business owners, all you're gonna do is start reaching out to them. So you can call them, you can text them, or you can email them. Personally, I like to call them. Also, you can go in person if you want to. I know some people don't like to go in person. I personally think it's one of the best ways that you can get someone interested in working with you, because when you go in person and you meet someone and you're able to shake their hand in person, they're gonna be much more likely to wanna work with you because they can trust you. You met them in person, they can see your face, and it's just much better. So I recommend going in person to a couple of these spots, just walk in, shake hands with the business owner, and tell them, hey, I saw you didn't have a website. I can create you an AI-powered website. If you're interested, we can sit down and have a chat about it. Just let me know, I'll come back, I can bring my laptop and I can show you. So it's a very simple offer. You're literally just calling them up or going in person or texting them or emailing them. Hey, Mr. Business Owner, I saw your business on Google. I noticed you didn't have a website. I would love to build you a completely AI-powered website with all these cool AI-powered features. Let me know if you're interested and we can sit down and have a chat. And you'll notice a lot of these business owners are going to be interested in what you have to offer. And then you're just gonna set a meeting with them. You can set a meeting on Google Meets, you can set it on a Zoom call, or you can plan to go meet them in person, which again, I think is a really good option as well, because by far you're gonna build the most trust by getting to shake their hand in person. So now that we know where to find these business owners and how to reach out to them via text, via email, via phone call, whatever it is, or in person, now you're probably wondering, okay, how am I gonna give them this AI-powered website? So I'm about to show you a software that we're gonna use. It's a super simple, super easy to use software that's gonna be doing all of the actual website creation for us. Like I said, you don't need any tech skills or experience to use this. It might take you maybe a couple days to kind of learn it, but once you do, it's super easy to learn. And again, I've built a completely free course on how to set up and use this software, and it also comes with an extended 30-day free trial. Normally you'd get a 14-day free trial, but with me, you're getting a full 30 days. So if you want me to send you the link to that, again, just like, sub, drop a comment once you're done, and I'll send it over to you. So once we're inside the software here, all you're gonna do is click on this Sites tab, and then you're gonna click on Funnels, and then you're gonna come over here to this blue button and you're gonna click New Funnel. So from here, we have two different options. You'll see we have Funnel AI, which is in beta, and you'll see we have From Templates. We also have From Blank, but obviously you don't wanna build a website from complete scratch. That's a lot more work, and we don't wanna do that. So we're gonna use Funnel AI or From Templates. So first, I wanna show you the From Templates. So we're gonna click on that, we're gonna click Continue. And you can see here, there are hundreds and hundreds and thousands of all of these different types of website and funnel templates for any type of business. They literally have thousands, and they have them for every single niche. Any business that you could think of, they have a template or multiple templates for. So you can pick from literally any of these templates. I'm gonna search up barber, for example, and see what we got. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different templates for barbershops that we can pick from. So I'm gonna go through here. I'm gonna grab this one, for example, and then I'm gonna click on the blue continue button. And then you can see it starts loading up the website. So as you can see, this is a really nice, professionally built website for a salon or a barbershop. And you can just make a couple small edits. Like you can see here, there's some filler text here. All you gotta do is just write a couple sentences, or you can even use ChatGPT to write all of that for you. Paste in the heading, change some of the words around, and put a logo. It would take you no more than 20-30 minutes to do the entire website and have it finished and ready to go, because the whole structure is already done. All you gotta do is change some of the words around, which won't take long at all, especially if you use ChatGPT or AI to help you write those. And you can see it's really professional, and you can charge $2,000-3,000 upfront for this, or you can give them the website and just have them pay you monthly for it. But that's not even the best part. We can take this one step further and actually use AI to build the entire website for us. So obviously the templates are a great way. There's a ton of templates available, but if you really want to go the full AI route and have AI build the sites actually for you, we can very easily do that. So what we're going to do is click on back, and then we're going to click on the blue new funnel button again. But this time we're gonna use the funnel AI, and we're gonna click on continue. So it's gonna ask you a couple questions here. So it's gonna ask you the name of the business and the industry. So for this example, I'm just gonna put John's Barber Shop. And then for the industry, I'm gonna put barbershop. And you can see at the bottom here, these AI powered websites are very, very cheap to build. You can see you even get 5 free website builds. And then after that, you only get charged 99 cents each website. And again, you can sell these for a couple hundred a month to a couple $1,000s upfront. So paying 99 cents and getting paid a couple thousand or a couple hundred a month, that's a pretty good ROI. So once you put in the industry and the name, you're gonna click on next, and then it's gonna ask you a couple more questions. So it says, I'm looking for a funnel for my barbershop, and it's gonna give you a couple options. It's gonna say, do you want this website to generate more leads for your business? Do you want it to get you more appointments? Do you want it to just showcase your services, or do you want it to actually sell products and services? For example, if the barber wanted to sell hair care products or different types of razors and things like that, you would then want to choose this one. But for this example, I'm just going to do generate more leads, because almost every single business wants to generate more leads and more customers. So we're going to choose that one. And then the last question, it asks you what type of vibe that you want the website to have. So you can do friendly, professional, inspirational, conversational, humorous, sarcastic, and persuasive. And I'm going to choose friendly for this one because I'm a friendly guy. I like all my content, all my sites and everything to have a nice, friendly vibe, so it's warm and welcoming. So I'm gonna choose that one, and then I'm gonna click generate. So you can see here the AI is automatically generating this site for me. It's already 20% done, and I literally just started it. So it's gonna be done here in a minute or two. So it finally just loaded up. It took about 2 minutes, and you can see here, it's a really, really solid template. Like, it generated really good pictures. It's really professional, high end. And all you have to do here is basically change some of the colors, slap the barbershop's logo, and maybe if you want to change some of the pictures, you can. But it already puts in all the text for you. You don't even need to bother going to ChatGPT to write the text for the website. It will do all of that for you. So all you really need to do is slap their logo on it, make any changes that the business owner wants. Maybe it will take you 5 to 10 minutes, and then the website's ready to go. So you can see how simple this process is of going out into your local city, your local town. And like I said, you don't need to stay local. You can start branching out after you've already reached out to all the local business owners in your area. There is a ton of opportunity in your local area. There's probably hundreds to thousands of businesses just in your local city, but feel free to branch out. Like I said, this works anywhere in the world. So branch out to other states, other cities, other regions after you've already reached out to everyone in your local city. But there's a ton of opportunity out there with AI trending, with all these business owners not having websites. It's a vital piece of their business. You need to have a website in today's day and age, or your business is not going to do well at all, because everyone goes online to find a business to work with. Think about it. If you ever looked for a barbershop or a plumber, you probably used Google or Facebook or something similar, where you typed in barbers near me, plumbers near me. If you don't have a website, there's not gonna be anything for that person, that customer, to look at to see if they wanna work with your business. You can probably spend like an hour a day, reach out to 20, 30 businesses, and get a couple clients per day from this. I personally like to get the clients that pay the monthly recurring subscription as opposed to a high upfront fee, because I notice a lot of small business owners, they might not want to pay that $2,000 or $3,000 upfront. So typically, it's going to be a much better offer to say, hey, we normally charge $2,000 or $3,000, but today I can give you this one-time discount where instead of paying that, you can just pay the small monthly fee. And 9 times out of 10, the business owner is going to be like, wow, that sounds great. Let's do it, sign me up. And then you can spend 20, 30 minutes building the site, usually even less than that. It's probably gonna take you 10 to 15 minutes each. And you can just rinse and repeat this process and stack your monthly recurring income. So if you were able to get just 5 clients to pay you $200 a month to build their site, that's maybe 2 to 3 hours of work for you. They're gonna be paying you $1,000 per month completely passively on autopilot. So you'll just be getting $1,000 per month on autopilot. And then from there, you can just keep building that income over and over and over again. So if you get 5 more clients, that's $2,000, 5 more clients, that's $3,000, and that's per month. So you can see how simple and straightforward this side hustle is. Again, if you guys want my free course on how to get started, drop a comment down below. I'll send you over the link to get started. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great rest of your day.